Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade using XM. To begin, open XM and make sure you are signed in to your trading account so you can access the platform features. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This helps you move through the process more confidently, especially if this is your first time placing a trade. Next, look to the left side navigation menu and click on Market. This section is where you can browse the available trading instruments. The market area is important because it gives you access to the products you can trade, along with pricing and symbol details. If you are new to the platform, moving through the left navigation carefully can help you avoid selecting the wrong section. After that, choose a sample symbol from the list. A symbol represents the asset you want to trade, such as a currency pair, commodity, or another market instrument. When selecting your symbol, make sure you are clicking the correct one, since every symbol has its own pricing and trading conditions. It is always a good idea to pause briefly here and confirm that you are on the intended asset before continuing. Once the symbol page opens, go to the top right panel and click either Buy or Sell. This is the point where you decide the direction of your trade. Choosing Buy means you expect the price to move up, while choosing Sell means you expect the price to move down. Be sure to review your choice carefully, since this action determines how your trade will be positioned in the market. After selecting Buy or Sell, click on Place Order. This prepares the trade for submission. At this stage, the platform is typically ready to process the order based on the direction you selected. Before moving on, it is helpful to briefly check the order details shown on the screen so you can confirm everything looks correct. Finally, click Confirm Order to complete the trade. This is the last action that sends your order through the platform. Once confirmed, your trade should be active according to the order you selected. It is a good practice to wait for the on-screen confirmation so you know that trade has been successfully placed. And that's the full process for trading using XM. By following these steps carefully and double-checking each selection along the way, you can place orders more smoothly and with greater confidence.